Here's a quick demo of how you can embed AI conversation experience into your website and blog. So this is my personal blog, and I have added the experience right at the bottom, and I'll show you a demo how it works. Hi.
Hello, I'm your helpful assistant here to explain this blog post about product management case interviews.
Okay, can you give me a humorous statement about this blog in one line?
Sure, it's like a recipe for product management, but instead of sugar and spice, it's got customer empathy and...
Okay, so this is the demo of this blog, this feature, and how you can create is just go to Tough Tongue website, go to Start Now, and click Create Custom Scenario. And what we'll create is Zoopla Blog Explainer, and we'll let the AI write this for us. And what we'll do is create the URL take the URL from here and write it and add it here, and just press enter, and we'll let Tough Tongue AI scrape the URL for you, and then we'll create the scenario. Once you create the scenario, it will be accessible in your library section in the My Scenario. So take the Zoopla, I'll take the second one here, and go to Details. In the details, you have to go to the integrate section, and this is the line that you have to copy and paste in your website. So there are multiple scenarios here. For example, I could take a different background, and so this is the full-fledged where we give the video, screen share, and everything else. But you can also pick the basic style where you can pick the avatar if you want, select which one do you want to add, and then background, etc. The one I picked was the minimal style here, and this is how it works. This was the same experience that you saw there. Hi.
Hi there, I'm the Zoopla Blog Explainer.
So this is how it works. Let me know your feedback and how you make use of it. Thank you so much.